You think you're just unlucky, broke, tired, distracted, stuck. But it's not luck, it's habits. 5 of them. And you're doing at least 3 right now. Habit 1. You sleep in past sunrise. Your body needs light early to set your energy for the day. Skip it and you're groggy by noon, reaching for sugar just to function. Habit 2. You check your phone before your feet hit the floor. That's not information, that's surrender. You're letting someone else's agenda run your brain before you've even had a thought of your own. Habit 3. You eat whatever's fastest, not what's useful. Heavy carbs, low protein. Your body burns hot, then crashes. And you call that crash laziness, when really it's just bad fuel. Habit 4. You avoid hard conversations, with money, with people, with yourself. So problems don't get solved, they get postponed. And postponed problems always come back bigger. Habit 5. You fill silence instead of sitting in it. Music, scrolling, noise, constantly. But silence is where clarity lives. Avoid it and you never hear what you actually need to fix. Here's the truth. None of these habits are dramatic. No one collapses from one bad morning. But stack them day after day, and they quietly build the exact life you say you don't want. The fix isn't complicated. Get sunlight before your phone. Fuel with protein, not convenience. Say the hard thing instead of swallowing it. Sit in silence, even for 5 minutes. You don't need a new personality, you need new defaults. Fix the habits, and the broke, weak, distracted version of you disappears on its own.